have sides as empty. Here we'll keep the same as we have here. So we need cell displacement as well. Let me just check. Why do we need cell displacement? Since we are solving the mesh motion, so therefore it is looking for this cell displacement as well. Let's use this one only. We cannot use a multi-grid solver. Let me use a PCG solver. Now let's try to run PCG. So this particular solver we cannot use. Let me use another settings which works. I'm going to use this one and remove everything we had here. Let's try now. It seems to work. We'll wait for this for a while. So you can easily see that it is marking the patch cells and then doing the overset and the patch.